All right, everybody, welcome back to the Mallard 5 Farmhouse. I'm CJ. If you're new to the channel, we are working on our 100-year-old farmhouse, and we like to do firewood videos, and we're getting ready to start farming this place. So we're going to start making steps to getting the farm ready so that we can have some chickens, cattle, and pigs, and whatever else we might decide. But today, it is just a gorgeous day outside. It's in the low 60s. No humidity at all, and a 0% chance of rain for a change. And we're going to move some logs around, get them cut up, because we need to get our fields cut, and the logs are sitting in the field. So we're going to work on that stuff today, but first I want to work on the tractor a little bit. We're sitting right around 78 hours on the tractor, in between the 50-hour and the 100-hour oil change. So I want to go and make sure I grease all the grease fittings, check the loader bolts. One of the things I've been seeing on one of my Facebook groups that I'm in, a lot of guys have been having trouble with their lug nuts coming loose. So we're going to check them today to avoid any potential disasters. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. All right, so here's our log pile, and as you can see, the weeds have already caught up with me. That's why I need to get these logs out of here, because this field needs mowed. So I'm going to try to put as big of a dent in here today as I can. It's a perfect day, it's not too hot, beautiful, not a cloud in the sky. So we're going to try and get rid of this log pile and see how much wood we can get in the shed. And then at the end of the day, I'll show you how much we end up with. So I've been trying to come out here in all my free time. If you're new to the channel, we're renovating our 100-year-old farmhouse, and among other things, we heat our house with firewood. So I have to come out here in my spare time and make sure we have enough firewood to get us through the winter that's coming. And it'll be here before you know it. It always is. So we're doing pretty good this year. A lot better than we have in recent years. I've never cut down trees and then drug them all in a pile like this before. This is the way to go. I don't know why, but ever since we did the log splitting challenge for men's mental health, I've just been in the mood to split wood by hand. I haven't been using the log splitter. So I'm going to keep on doing that today. It's a good workout, nice day, so we'll see how much I can get split by hand today before I throw in the towel. Yeah, I like stacking. Alright, so let's take a look at the inventory in the woodshed. This pile here I got for free from my aunt, and there's going to be a lot more coming with that. It's a mixture of everything. I've been kind of OCD about my wood piles here. In the back here, that's a big pile of locust. And then up front, this is all cherry, clear back to the wall. And then this pile here is what we did today in a couple hours, probably 2.5 hours, cut and split and then stacked. So that's a good start. So with all this wood here, plus we have a little bit of elm over here, which there's plenty more of that out there in the front of the woodshed that needs to be split with the log splitter. But with all this wood right here, that should last me about a week. I'm just kidding. There used to be a time when that wasn't too far from true. But now that we're getting the windows changed out, got the new stove, I figured all of this will last me a good cold month and a half. So the way I figure, I've got the months of January and February almost covered already. And then December and November, October, March, April, those months are easy because you don't have to burn as much. So it's been a good day. Got a little bit done. I'm going to call it quits for today because I have to go to work tonight and work a 12-hour midnight. But I want to thank all of you for watching. Don't forget about the discount we can offer you through Sawhaul. If you want one of those chainsaw carriers for your tractor or for your side-by-side, you can get it for a 5% discount off your entire order if you go to Sawhaul.com and use the promo code Mallard5. So don't forget about that. It'd be a nice Father's Day present, and it's really good to take care of your chainsaw that way instead of having it jump around and bounce around in your bucket or your bed. As far as this weekend goes, I'm going to see if I can get that jig lift again and try to change the windows on the back of the house. We'll see how everything works out. But I want to get that done. I want to be ready for siding for this fall. So that's why I'm coming out here and doing firewood, you know, every down day that I get. It's all part of the farm life. So if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you would. We'd appreciate it. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and check out the description for Amazon products that we like to use here at the farmhouse. Thanks for watching.